Hello, welcome back sa isa namang tutorial. So today let's do operations of fractions. So this is the easy way. And sana ma-apply nyo to pagdating sa exam. So let's have for addition and subtraction, same lang yung process. We have multiplication and division. So unahin natin si addition at subtraction. So let's illustrate. So we have example 3/4 plus 1/8. So, ang madaling paraan, una is i-multiply si numerator dito kay denominator dito. Kino-cross lang natin again, and this time denominator kay numerator. And lastly, si denominator by denominator. So, doing that, we have 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. And then, 8 times 4 is 32. So, kunin na natin yan. We have 28 over 32. So, minsan yung sa choices, hinahanap na yung lowest form. So, divisible by 4. Yeah. So, 28/4 is 7. Then, we have 8. So, therefore, 3/4 plus 1/8 is 7/8. Now, using the same values, let's palit into subtraction. So, kunyari, subtraction siya using the same given. So, let's erase muna. Okay, and then let's change our operation into subtraction. Okay, sorry. Ayan. Okay. So, instead na mag-a-add tayo this time, mag-minus tayo. So, 3/4 minus 1/8. So, again, cross multiplication. So, this time, magiging minus na siya. So, 24 minus 4 is 20 over 32. Again, both numbers divisible by 4. So, for the lowest form, we have 20. We have 5 over 8. So, therefore, 3/4 minus 1/8 is 5 over 8. Now, for multiplication, same given kasi medyo ako lazy. 1/8. So, i-multiply lang natin numerator, denominator. So, 3 times 1 is 3. And then 8 times 4 is 32. Is this, Yeah, I think that's the lowest we can go. Okay. For division, same process or same values. 3/4 divided by 1/8, but this time sa division reciprocal or pinagpapalit denominator kay numerator sa second value. So we have 3/4. This time magiging multiplication na siya times ang 1/8 magiging 8/1. And then proceed as usual kay multiplication. So numerator, denominator. 3 times 8 is 24. And 4 times 1 is 4. And then divide lang natin. 4 divided by 24 divided by 4 is 6. So therefore, 3/4 divided by 1/8 is 6. So hope this helps. See you next time.